All right, so I am at school on a Saturday. I had volleyball this morning, and I want to get this Halloween activity that I made last night printed. That way it's ready for me, but then also I can share about it, and if people want to buy it, they can. So that way other teachers know about it before Halloween. So that is why I'm here. We had Thursday and Friday off from school in Minnesota. It's called MEA. There's a conference put on by our union. I didn't go to it, but you can. So we always have this break in October. We have a Thursday and a Friday off, which is super nice. It was necessary. I needed it. We had a volleyball tournament on Thursday, so I was at that all day. Yesterday, I just stayed home, relaxed, was lazy, and also made this product for TPT. So I am going to get that printed right now. I'm walking down the hall with my tripod. My phone's still on my tripod, so I hope nobody else is here because that would be embarrassing. Two-sided, staple it, 54 copies. All right, while those are printing off, I will show you what it looks like. So the front page can be a coloring page as like a bell ringer if they have time, and these are the slides that go with it. So the first thing I have, and you can do all of this or you can do none of it, that's up to you. The first thing I have is just a Halloween word search. So I usually give my students 10 minutes just to see how many words they can find in the word search. And my previous classes have loved doing this with a partner. I have not done any of the holiday activities with this class because this is our first holiday of the year. I have timers built in, but I do these in order, and usually, there's a lot in there, so you might not be able to get everything done in a day. Halloween's on a Tuesday this year, so I might do some of the reading and writing stuff on Monday and then the rest on Tuesday. From there, we are going to talk about what traditions are and see if any of them have Halloween traditions. And then they're going to read a story called The Special Pumpkin. They're going to make some predictions before they start reading, and then they'll read it on their own or with a partner. From there, they will answer the comprehension questions. Up next for writing, we're going to just, review genres, talk about some conflicts or problems that have been in stories or books that we've read this year, and then they're going to plan out their own writing, and they're going to create a story map for a Halloween story. So be a fiction story that takes place on Halloween. So they're going to think of what the genres there's going to be. Is it going to be like mystery, realistic fiction? Just, is it going to be humorous? That'll be up to them. Kind of plan out character setting, conflict and problem. Think about what's going to happen in the plot. And then they will, plan that out, and then they will actually write. We're going to play a little, kind of like a multiplication game, and a pencil to spin, and they will create multiplication problems. So first spinner is how many bags of candy they have. Next is how many pieces of candy is in each bag, and then they will do the problem, find out how much is in there, and then they'll play 3 rounds, find out what their final score is with their partner. I did put 2 game boards in there so they can play 2 rounds, because we're going to do a little Halloween STEM challenge. We're going to do a marble maze. It'll be like a haunted house marble maze. I threw in a couple examples of what, their haunted house maze could look like, and then they'll sketch out their design idea. This will go down to 5 minutes once I hit start. And then they will get creating. And for art, their Halloween art, we're going to do like a little silhouette. So they'll be able to create a background in different colors using watercolors or pastels. And then, here were some examples. I found like just different backgrounds, and then they can do their silhouette with just black construction paper. So I'm going to give them time to plan just what colors they think they want and what objects they could create to put on there for their silhouettes. And then they will work on their project. And that is everything I have included for this Halloween holiday activity. And if you are interested, it's currently $1 on TPT. It's time to get those gram pics. Do it for the gram. Oh, got a glare. I don't like that glare. Now I can go grab the rest of my copies. Look at me kind of being ahead of the game, like a week early. Crushing it. I'm just going to stick these right here. If I forget, someone remind me. I put them in a random book box behind my desk. Okay, that was quick. Now I'm going home. See you, bye. Have a great Saturday.